Hi, I'm Camille.
And I'm Marissa.
And we're the Linen Sisters.
Pioneer Linens is our family's company. And we're here today, being the linen experts that we are, to tell you our top 3 favorite tips for linen care. At the top of the list is taking care of your linen fibers.
High heat is definitely going to break down your linens much faster than naturally with colder water.
So when you are caring for those particular linens, you just want to make sure that you're washing them just with your bed ensemble.
So we recommend washing your sheets in cooler water and definitely drying them on a lower temperature, even taking them out a little bit damp and hanging them to dry. Let's talk about how much detergent you really should be using. I know a lot of people like to fill that cup all the way up, but you really only need to be using about 1/4 of a cup. So one of the things we like to do is use specialty cleaners because you only need as little as a cap full. One of our favorite specialty cleaners that my mom has used since we were children is our Specialty Linen Wash LeBlanc. It's one of our favorites, and it comes in many different fragrances, but they're also chemical-free and very gentle on fine linens and cottons.
The right amount, it's very nice and light, and it comes out really well in the wash, and that way when I get into bed, my sheets feel extra soft. If you do want to get one of our wonderful bottles of linen wash, simply go to pioneerlinens.com. They have lavender, lemon verbena, fragrance-free. There's just so many wonderful choices.
And I also do an extra rinse sometimes just to make sure that the soap comes out of the sheets before I put them in the dryer. I want to make sure that they're as clean as possible before putting them through the dryer so that the cotton isn't coated.
And my favorite part of making sure that I got all the detergent out of my sheets is that I actually will open the washing machine, touch the sheets, then touch my fingers together to see if they're sticky. And I do notice sometimes that my fingers do stick together, where then I know just maybe give it one more rinse to make sure I got all the detergent out so my sheets are so extra soft.
I think Marissa should also tell you about her favorite product in the whole store, which is her specialty stain remover. Her favorite stain remover.
It's just, I can't live without. Some people have their absolute favorite products like makeup and hair shampoo, but mine is our favorite Suds. Suds is this magic little bottle that alleviates lots of headaches when dealing with stains on your sheets. Then you take just a little bit of this goop, put it on the stain, and then rub fabric to fabric and rinse it under the water, and the spot will magically disappear. I can't tell you, I travel with it. I give it to friends as gifts. It's just a wonderful product. And the reason we advise Suds over something like OxiClean is that Suds is a smooth gel. So when you are applying that grit to your textiles, you are rubbing the fibers together, which then wears down your cotton. So you are, losing the longevity of your linens. So when you are trying to clean items with spots, it's best, just to rub fabric to fabric because that's the most gentle material trying to build, to get that stain out of your bed linens. When I'm doing laundry, I'm very meticulous, and I always separate my sheets with my sheets, my towels with my towels, and my clothes with the clothes. And the reason I do that is I want to make sure nothing causes peeling and pulling while my sheets are being washed. I really want to make sure that there's room in the washing machine for the linens to move around and for the soap to get up through all the linens to really make sure that they're clean and that I don't overpack the washing machine.
And here are some things you should never do. Never use bleach, never use fabric softener, and never use dryer sheets. Those will all coat your sheets and cause pilling and holes pretty quickly. If you ever have any questions about how to launder your linens, come on down to Pioneer Linens and visit the family, and we'll give you a little lesson on how to take care of your fine sheets.
Feel free to visit us at pioneerlinens.com to talk live with me any time of the day, or contact us on Instagram at Pioneer Linens.
Thanks so much for listening to our tips. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments, and let's talk linens.